If you're sitting in your San Jose home right now thinking, I need to sell, but I've been putting off repair for years, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly why your deferred maintenance could be costing you tens of thousands of dollars in this shifting marketplace. And more importantly, how to fix it without breaking the bank. By the end of this video, you'll know exact strategy that's helping San Jose homeowners basically turn their fixer-uppers into premium sales, even as inventory is climbing right now and buyers are becoming much more pickier. Hi, and if you don't know me, my name is Steve Moon, your San Jose Realtor, and in this channel we talk about everything that is real estate related and San Jose or the Bay Area. Let's talk about what's really happening in our market right now. If you've been following the Bay Area real estate, you know that we're not in the same seller's market that we were maybe even a year ago. Inventory is growing, buyers have much more choices, and here's the kicker. They're becoming incredibly selective. I've been working with sellers for over 20 years, and I'm seeing something that should concern every homeowner with deferred maintenance issues. The homes that used to sell as is for top dollars, they're now sitting on the market for 60, 90, or even 120 days. Meanwhile, the move-in ready home that in the same neighborhood, they're getting multiple offers and selling for maybe 5 to 10% over asking price. The difference isn't location, it's condition. And if your home falls into the bottom 75% of comparable properties, you're essentially handing money over to your future buyer. Now, I get it. Life happens. Maybe you've been meaning to update that kitchen for 5 years now. Maybe the exterior paint has been good enough for, longer than you had anticipated or would like to admit. Perhaps those hardwood floors have seen much better days, or the bathrooms still have fixtures from the 1990s. You're not alone. I'd estimate that 60 to 75% of Bay Area homeowners have some sort of deferred maintenance. But here's what most people don't realize. In today's market, this isn't just about aesthetics anymore. It's about money, real money. When buyers see a home that needs work, they don't just subtract the cost of the repair from their offer. They subtract the cost plus the hassle factor plus a buffer for some of the unknowns. So let's say that $30,000 kitchen refresh, buyers are mentally deducting $55,000, maybe $60,000 from your asking price. And keep in mind, if the buyer rolls that upgrade price into the purchase price of the home, it's a part of the purchase loan, one payment. If the buyer has to do the upgrades after purchasing that property, that is no longer a purchase price loan. The buyer would have to get another loan or maybe pay for that upgrade in cash or maybe even put it on a high interest credit card. It means big money on top of the hassle for them. This is why many buyers pay way over list price because it's all rolled into one payment, not a separate transaction. That's the difference. And in a market where buyers have choices, they're often just walking away entirely and choosing the move-in ready option down the street. And this brings me to what I call the top 25% strategy. In every neighborhood, in every price range, there are homes that buyers fight over, and then there are homes that buyers ignore. The difference? The top 25% of homes in terms of condition and desirability. These are the homes that get multiple offers, sell quickly, and command premium prices. Even in today's market with more inventory, these properties are still performing like it's still 2022. You might be thinking, that's great, but I can't afford to put $50,000 into renovations right now. And that's exactly why most people and sellers are leaving money on the table. They think it's an all or nothing, either spend a fortune or sell as is. But there's a third option that most homeowners don't know about. Instead of trying to do everything, focus on the improvements that give you the biggest return on your investment. I'm talking about the changes that move you from the bottom 75% to the top 25% without necessarily breaking the bank. Fresh paint throughout. That's usually the biggest bang for your buck. Update fixtures and hardware. We're talking hundreds of dollars to create thousands of dollars of perceived value. Professional deep cleaning and decluttering. You're going to be amazed at what this alone can do to the look of your home. For flooring, you don't need to replace everything. Sometimes refinishing hardwood floors or strategic area rugs can completely transform a space. In kitchens, painting cabinets and updating hardware can give you 80% of the impact for maybe 20 to 30% of the costs. But here's the key. You need to think like a buyer, not like someone who's lived in the same home for years. What jumps out as tired or dated? What makes the home feel like work instead of a dream? And if you feel you're not in tune with what's in style at the moment, get help from your realtor who sees what's in style on a daily basis. Now, if you're thinking, this makes sense, but I don't have the cash up front, we've solved that problem for you too. So through our SMG Concierge Program, we can handle the entire process from beginning to execution with no upfront costs to you. We've helped dozens of Bay Area homeowners transform their deferred maintenance situations into premium sales. The renovations are paid for at closing, and the increased sales price more than covers the investment. You essentially become the home flipper instead of selling to one at a discounted price, and then they pocket all of the profits themselves. Listen, the market is shifting, and the window for as-is premium sales is closing. But that doesn't mean that you have to settle for less than what your home is truly worth. If you're ready to unlock your home's full potential and position it in the top 25% that still commands multiple offers and moves quickly, let's talk. I'll put a link to a schedule of consultation in the description below. Don't let deferred maintenance cost you tens of thousands of dollars. In today's market, the move-in ready homes win, and I can help you get there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.